Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video clips, I will show you how you can rewind short YouTube videos forward and backward. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get you and me started. So, if you go to YouTube, if you want to scroll through the feed to watch short videos or what they call shorts, then you'll click on the shorts section at the bottom. And that will take you to the videos. But I'll tell you right away, you can't rewind all the videos if it's a short video like the one shown here. You won't be able to rewind it because you won't see a special slider down here. If you find one where you see a slider like that down here, there's a line like that and it's in red. This indicates the time with which the clip is running. If we click on the clip, we can fast forward to the desired part of the clip like this. Or go back to watch something else specifically. I would like to remind you that you will not be able to rewind with all the clips, unfortunately. If the clip is short, there won't be such a line for rewinding at the bottom. Friends, this is the way, very simple. You will be able to rewind shorts on YouTube forward and backward to watch them comfortably. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments and don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.